TCL is back with another pair of RayNeo XR glasses, and this time around, I got the special Batman Justice Edition of the RayNeo Air 4 Pros. This very well presented box is quite the special treat, and the protective carrying case for the glasses is appropriately themed for the special edition. That case holds the glasses and the included USB-C cable, which is great because I definitely don't want to scratch up these fantastic looking glasses. The Batman logo and a handful of bats adorn the right arm, and it ships with protective film for all the shiny parts. These use bird bath optics, so nothing cutting edge, but they do work just fine and are more than adequate for this $315 package. On the underside of the right arm, you'll find brightness adjustment buttons, and on the underside of the left arm, we've got a volume rocker and the menu button. Some branding and the model information on the inside of the left arm, and open speakers sit in each of the two arms as well. This one ships with a matte cover display for full immersion, which can be easily removed, and is included because this one does not feature electrochromic tinting. This isn't a particularly chunky pair of glasses, but they do weigh 80 grams, so definitely heavier than your average pair of sunglasses. The case has a lovely little Velcro strap inside to hold the USB-C cable, and is a plush cloth texture that feels like it would do a good job of protecting your investment. Alright, now for what's inside the rest of the box, and oh my gosh, I was not ready for this. It's a whole freaking Batman face mask. I knew this was a special edition, but this is next level. This thing snaps on the front of the glasses and replaces the boring matte cover plate with something quite unique. The other special edition of these glasses has a Joker mask, so choose wisely. The plate weighs a surprising 20 grams, making the total glasses weight 100 grams when worn. It also doesn't fit in the glasses carrying case. Let's see what else is in there. So we've got a set of manuals, a warranty guide in case something happens, a microfiber cloth you can take with you to keep the shiny parts smudge-free, a quick start guide that seems mostly identical to the manual, and then the really fun stuff below. At first, I thought this was a glasses holder, but it's actually a desk stand for the Batman or Joker mask, depending on which edition you choose. Yeah, this is pretty slick, and certainly makes it feel special. Putting those to the side, now for the other accessories. First is the prescription glasses kit, which you can order online or take to your optometrist. And then we've got a different size nose pad, and there's only one in this box. And now for the most interesting smart glasses accessory I've seen to date, aside from the Batman mask, of course. I had no idea what these were at first, but a little comparison with the glasses made them look like sound tunnels for the open-ear speakers, and it turns out that's exactly what they are. There are two sizes in the box, and they're called a sound tube, which you are supposed to specifically enable in the glasses menu to have work properly. Just so you get an idea of what they look like, these are the two different sizes as worn by me. The larger size fits my head shape much better as it properly channels the sound into my ears, much more like a pair of earbuds rather than the open-ear speakers. And why not try on that Batman mask while I'm checking out the fit, right? It snaps on here quite easily, and seems like it does a decent job of connecting, although a good bump with your hand or something will definitely knock them off. So this is largely ornamental and fun rather than practical. And who would have thought? And that's everything you can expect to find in the special Justice Edition of the RayNeo Air 4 Pros. Did you enjoy that video? Give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.